In the future of the internet, there will be virtual worlds where humans can interact without the limitations of physical space. Welcome to the age of the metaverse. According to analysts' predictions, these virtual environments could be the next big investment opportunity. Technology companies can develop virtual environments thanks to increased computing power, faster internet connections, and technological advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These spaces are intended to give participants the feeling of being there without having to leave their seats. As Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg explained in a recent video, Meta is committed to providing people with the opportunity to do almost anything you can imagine, using holograms driven by virtual reality arrays and other devices. In this future world, people will be able to teleport as avatars into virtual environments and digitally experience most of their daily activities, including work, play, shopping, exercise, and learning. They can also recreate real-life spaces, such as the interiors of their homes and offices, as well as sophisticated graphic representations, such as the beaches of Hawaii. As Meta says, the virtual is idealized when imagination and reality mix. So, the main question is, what really is metaverse? In simple words, a metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection, and it can be defined as a simulated digital environment that uses augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain, along with concepts from digital media, to create spaces for rich user interaction mimicking the real world. But it's a huge question that what will metaverse will look like in today's time. For technophiles, the metaverse represents a nirvana, a place to immerse yourself in any digital world, and participate in any physical reality, at any time, and also to be able to see and feel anything, even if you are thousands of miles away from that real place. The digital economy is also growing in metaverse. Now an individual can create, buy, and sell goods. And, in the more idealistic visions of the metaverse, it's interoperable, allowing you to take virtual items like clothes. Meanwhile, when the COVID pandemic raged across the world and grounded economies, it was the internet and the resulting work from home, WFH technology aids that helped companies stay afloat, and arguably, even expand rapidly. Various sectors including education have radically changed post-pandemic and have become more technology intensive. In short, the metaverse will potentially alter many sectors further by introducing virtual reality-based wearables. So, the next question will be, what are we gonna do in metaverse? In the metaverse, people can work, play, shop, and socialize. They can customize avatars and can have dynamic group experiences that will facilitate a newer age of social interaction in the metaverse. Virtual shopping malls will allow metaverse participants to interact with and purchase both digital and real-world clothing, sporting goods, and more. Particularly in the context of a post-pandemic world, the metaverse will present a revolutionary opportunity to leverage distributed teams and remote work. The metaverse will offer fully immersive gaming experiences that, when combined with next-gen hardware, far exceed current virtual reality product offerings. So that's all for today's folks. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.